Whether you are looking to simplify your daily chores or revolutionize how your home functions, the right tools don't just sit in your kitchen, they change the way you live. We all want that seamless experience where technology works for us, making every task feel effortless. From powerful motor torque to detailed precision grinding, the right appliance transforms your home's performance into something truly efficient. But let's be honest, the market is flooded with options, and not every product delivers on its promise. That's why in this video, I am going to show you the top 5 best mixer grinders you can buy right now, highlighting key features, real-world performance, and what makes each one worth your money. Links are in the description, and all the products are listed in the pinned comment. Let's get started. Number 5. Philips HL7707. The Philips HL7707 is the definitive 2026 workhorse for the dedicated home chef, offering a masterful blend of legendary mechanical reliability and highly advanced low-speed extraction technology. For the mature user who demands flawless performance without a massive, intimidating footprint, this remarkably compact system is an engineering miracle. Delivering a highly efficient 750 watts of pure copper wound power, its defining technological triumph is the integration of proprietary gear drive technology. This specialized gearing drastically reduces the rotational speed for specific attachments, like the dough kneader and the surgical chopping blades, ensuring that the natural structure and thermal integrity of your delicate ingredients are never destroyed by high-speed friction. The jars feature completely leak-proof, highly secure locking mechanisms with rubber gaskets that seal with the airtight authority of a luxury vault door, guaranteeing that fine spice powders never escape into your kitchen air. The chassis itself is a triumph of mechanical engineering, utilizing an impossibly sleek design that takes up minimal counter space while housing a heavy, vibration-resistant base that stays glued to your surface. Accompanied by a deeply tactile speed selector and gorgeous stainless steel aesthetics, it is a remarkably accommodating, fatigue-free command center that punches massively above its weight class. Number 4. Panasonic Super Mixer Grinder. The Panasonic Super Mixer Grinder represents the absolute pinnacle of Japanese mechanical safety and acoustic perfectionism, offering a deeply refined, intensely precise presentation that extracts every ounce of texture from your ingredients. For the seasoned user who values flawless mechanical execution and absolute peace of mind, this mixer grinder is a staggering achievement. Panasonic's engineering philosophy revolves around a proprietary double-safety interlocking system. The motor will absolutely refuse to engage unless the heavy-duty jar is perfectly seated and the lid is mechanically locked into place, entirely preventing explosive kitchen accidents and ensuring a dead silent background when the machine is at rest. The blades are forged from samurai-edge steel, delivering a fast, articulate, and ruthlessly honest cut that strips away tough fibers and easily pulverizes the hardest turmeric roots. The physical design honors traditional tactile luxury. Instead of a standard rotary dial, it utilizes heavy-duty piano-type mechanical push buttons that provide an incredibly reassuring physical click when engaged. Housed in a gorgeous, thick, bronze-finished base that actively repels external vibrations, it is an exquisitely crafted, heavy-duty precision instrument that delivers raw, emotional culinary power. Number 3. Preethi Zodiac. The Preethi Zodiac is a brilliant, multifaceted, technical disruptor that fundamentally rewrites the capabilities of a standard mixer grinder, merging heavy-duty raw power with the absolute cutting edge of architectural kitchen design. Designed for the critical user who demands a highly analytical, surgical approach to food preparation, this machine acts as a complete culinary command center. The absolute crown jewel of the Zodiac is the inclusion of the MasterChef Plus jar, which transforms the base into a world-class food processor capable of kneading heavy dough in under a minute and surgically slicing vegetables with microscopic precision. The physical amplification is driven by a massive 750-watt Vega W5 motor, which exerts total iron-fisted control over the razor-sharp stainless steel blades. To ensure the machine never overheats during complex preparations, it features highly advanced fast cooling technology that actively pulls ambient air through the motor block, preserving the life of the copper coils. The physical ergonomics are deeply satisfying. The base is elegantly sculpted, featuring a highly visible LED power indicator and a heavy, tactile rotary knob that allows you to instantly dial in the perfect speed. With its deeply forgiving, highly versatile nature, the Zodiac is an uncompromising, heavily built instrument that handles everything from delicate purees to heavy-duty grinding with breathtaking composure. Number 2, Sujata Dynamix. The Sujata Dynamix is an absolute brute of a machine, bringing the legendary rugged reliability and staggering dynamic output of commercial restaurant kitchens directly into the high-end home. For the hardcore home chef who refuses to compromise on mechanical integrity, extreme torque, or raw visceral impact, this mixer grinder is a monumental, heirloom-quality masterpiece. It entirely bypasses standard consumer-grade motors, utilizing a massive 900-watt double ball-bearing motor. This heavily over-engineered powerhouse effortlessly delivers 22,000 revolutions per minute of pure, unadulterated rotational force, allowing it to run continuously for up to 90 minutes without the slightest hint of thermal compression or distress. Despite this tectonic power, the physical chassis remains completely dead still on your countertop, entirely free of the violent rattling that plagues lesser models. The jars are crafted from heavy-gauge, food-grade stainless steel, and the transparent dome lids lock down with absolute security to prevent any leaks during explosive grinding sessions. The physical interface is a masterclass in no-nonsense accessibility. It features highly tactile, heavy mechanical toggle switches that provide a satisfying clunk with every operation, entirely avoiding the frustration of fragile touchscreens. It is a commanding, virtually indestructible workhorse that brilliantly bridges the gap between commercial-grade extraction and home convenience. Number 1, Bosch TrueMixx Pro. The Bosch TrueMixx Pro is a towering achievement in German mechanical precision, completely rejecting the modern trend of hyper-fast, flavor-destroying extraction. For the uncompromising culinary purist who demands the authentic textured taste of hand-ground spices, this mixer grinder is an absolute revelation. The technological marvel driving this machine is Bosch's proprietary active stone pounding technology. By utilizing uniquely thick, blunt pounding blades, it physically strikes the dry ingredients rather than merely slicing them, flawlessly replicating the heavy, tactile crushing action of a traditional stone mortar and pestle. This ensures that the essential oils and raw, organic aromas of your spices are preserved, entirely avoiding the harsh burnt flavor caused by extreme blade friction. The mechanical build is unapologetically heavy-duty. It features a staggering 1,000-watt, 100% copper wound motor hidden beneath a remarkably dense, vibration-resistant chassis. When you lock the thick, high-grade stainless steel jars into the base, they seat with a quiet, authoritative mechanical glide. The front fascia honors the joy of classic appliances, featuring a massive, heavily damped rotary dial that provides a deeply satisfying resistance as you cycle through the speeds. It is an exquisitely crafted, brutally powerful instrument that treats your premium ingredients with absolute respect. So, that wraps up our list of the best mixer grinders. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one will you pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.